Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can turn your avatars into video for free. I know there are a lot of tools out there like DAD, Hejan, but this tool actually gives you a whole minute for free every single day. So the tool I'm talking about is Vidnoz. The link is in the description. Or you can just go to Google and search for vidnoz.com. And you'll be directed to this interface where you have to create an account. You can use Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Microsoft, or whichever other email that you have. So I'm just going to use my Google account. I find it really easy and convenient to use that. And it's just going to take a minute. And there we are. So this is the interface that you first see when you get into this tool. And as you can see, there are quite a bunch of things that you can do up here. So today we're just going to hit the create video, since that's what we want to do. As you can see, there are a bunch of templates here. And today we're just going to get started with a blank template. And you can choose landscape, portrait, or square. So we're just going to choose the landscape. And as you can see, there are realistic avatars that you can choose from here. There are actually a lot of them that you can choose from. And you can also choose a token photo. Like, they also have a bunch of them. And as you can see, they have a bunch of them too. But you're going to upload our own avatar today. So you just hit that and then you click up to upload your own avatar. It's just going to take a minute to upload. So once it's uploaded, you just generate this talking photo and you just resize it to what you want. Remember, we chose the landscape canvas. So we're just going to nicely in. And once you're good with the look, then well, we are not going to remove the background. If you want, there's actually an option to remove the background, but you're not going to do that. So we are going on to upload our audio. You can record your own voice. You can choose if you have already files in there. You've uploaded your own files. You can choose from there. But today we're just going to hit upload voice, and we're going to upload our own pre-recorded voice. So once we've done that, it's just going to upload. Just going to take a minute to upload. Yeah, so once it's uploaded, you can just we're just going to check that to confirm that we've uploaded the right clip. So we're just going to hit this play button and just confirm that the clip we've uploaded is the correct one. So if you follow the tutorial up to this point, you can pretty much tell that this is a really simple thing to do. And yeah, definitely that's the right clip. So the next thing that you're going to do now is just to generate. But unfortunately, we do not have the option to preview before the generation. So you can only view the video after you generate, which is fine. And remember, there are a bunch of tools up there that you can also use. So we're just going to hit generate. And you're going to give it a minute to generate our video. So this is going to take a minute, but now our video is ready. You can just play and see how it turns out. So if you follow the tutorial up to this point, you can pretty much tell that this is a really simple thing to do. Anyone can do it, really. All you need is your photo or an avatar, whichever you're using, and your voiceover. If not, you just need a script so that they can generate a voiceover for you. Like, literally, it's really, really this simple. Okay, so once you're satisfied with the video, you can just hit download. It's just going to download directly to your computer, and you can choose to use this wherever you want. So just remember that you get 1 minute of video per day. So once you've used up your 1 minute, you have to wait for the next day to get your next free video. But if you do not want to go that route, then you can always upgrade. As you can see, they have the subscription plans. There's the starter and there's the business. The starter gives you a maximum of 5 minutes per video, and the business one gives you a maximum of 20 minutes per video. Now, as I said earlier, the free one gets you 1 minute per day. So if that's not enough, then you're going to have to get one of the subscription plans. But if your videos are not that long, then 1 minute per day will pretty much serve you. I've made another video that you can use to create your avatar for absolutely free. It doesn't matter the length of time. So I'm going to leave that link over here somewhere, and you can watch that video next and see how you can create longer videos for absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.